Strategies for paying off student loans quickly and efficiently. Welcome to our animated video on strategies for paying off student loans quickly and efficiently. If you're struggling with student loan debt, this video is for you. We'll share some practical tips and strategies to help you pay off your student loans faster and with less stress. So, let's get started. Understanding your student loans. Congratulations on finishing college. But wait, what's this? Student loans? Don't worry, you're not alone. According to a recent study, over 44 million Americans have student loans, with the total amount of outstanding student loan debt reaching $1.7 trillion. Oh no, my student loan balance is huge. The good news is, there are strategies you can use to pay off your student loans quickly and efficiently. Before you can develop a plan to pay off your student loans, it's important to understand the different types of loans available to you. There are two main types of student loans: federal loans and private loans. Federal loans are offered by the government and typically come with lower interest rates and more flexible repayment options. Private loans are offered by banks and other financial institutions and often have higher interest rates and less flexible repayment terms. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of your loans, including interest rates, repayment schedules, and any fees or penalties. Budgeting and goal setting. Once you have a clear understanding of your loans, it's time to develop a budget and set goals for paying them off. This might involve creating a monthly budget to track your income and expenses, setting a timeline for repayment, or identifying areas where you can cut back on expenses to free up more money for loan payments. It's important to set realistic goals and make a plan that works for your unique financial situation. Exploring repayment options. Depending on the types of loans you have, you may have several different repayment options available to you. For federal loans, you may be eligible for income-driven repayment plans, which base your monthly payment on your income and can make your payments more affordable. You may also be able to defer or forbear your loans if you're experiencing financial hardship. For private loans, you may be able to consolidate your loans into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Consolidation and refinancing. Consolidating or refinancing your student loans can be a good way to simplify your payments and potentially lower your interest rates. Consolidation involves combining multiple loans into a single loan with a fixed interest rate, while refinancing involves taking out a new loan to pay off your existing loans, potentially with a lower interest rate. This can make your monthly payments more manageable and save you money in the long run. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of any consolidation or refinancing option before making a decision. Prioritizing high-interest loans. When you have multiple student loans, it's important to prioritize paying off the ones with the highest interest rates first. This can help you save money in the long run and pay off your loans faster. You may also consider making extra payments on your loans or using other money-saving strategies to reduce your overall debt. Increasing your income. If you're struggling to make your student loan payments, one strategy is to look for ways to increase your income. This might involve taking on a side hustle or seeking a higher-paying job. By bringing in more money, you can make larger payments on your loans and pay them off faster. Remember to balance your work and personal life to avoid burnout. Applying windfalls to your loans. When you receive unexpected money, such as a tax refund or work bonus, consider putting it towards your student loans rather than spending it on something else. Applying windfalls to your loans can help you pay off your debt faster and save you money on interest in the long run. Negotiating with lenders. In some cases, you may be able to negotiate with your lenders to get a lower interest rate or better repayment terms. This can make your payments more manageable and help you pay off your loans faster. It's worth exploring this option if you're struggling to make your payments. Remember to be prepared and professional when negotiating with lenders. Staying motivated. Paying off student loans can be a long and difficult process, so it's important to stay motivated along the way. This might involve tracking your progress, celebrating small victories, or finding a support system. By staying focused and motivated, you can reach your goal of becoming debt-free. Managing your credit score. Your credit score can impact your ability to get approved for loans and the interest rates you'll receive. This means that managing your credit score is an important part of managing your student loan. There are many strategies for managing your credit score, such as paying your bills on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and monitoring your credit report for errors. Seeking assistance. There are several assistance programs available to help borrowers manage their student loans. These might include loan forgiveness programs, employer-sponsored repayment assistance, or loan rehabilitation programs. It's worth exploring these options if you're struggling to make your payments, or if you're interested in reducing your overall debt. Making extra payments. Making extra payments towards your student loans can help you pay them off faster and reduce the amount of interest you'll pay over time. There are different strategies for making extra payments, such as setting up automatic payments or using windfalls to make lump sum payments. Even small extra payments can add up over time and help you pay off your loans more quickly. Remember to check with your lender to ensure that any extra payments you make are applied correctly. Avoiding default. Defaulting on your student loans can have serious consequences, such as damage to your credit score and wage garnishment. There are different strategies for avoiding default, such as exploring alternative repayment options or seeking help from a financial advisor. Remember that defaulting on your loans can make it much harder to manage your debt and can have long-term consequences. Considering the impact on your career. Depending on your career goals, your student loan repayment strategy may vary. Some careers may offer loan forgiveness programs or higher salaries that make it easier to pay off your loans. Ask your HR how different repayment strategies can impact your ability to pursue certain careers or make other financial decisions. Remember to consider your long-term career goals when developing your repayment strategy. Balancing student loan repayment with other financial goals. While it's important to prioritize paying off your student loans, you also need to balance that with other financial goals, such as saving for retirement or building an emergency fund. There are different strategies for balancing these different priorities in your video, such as creating a budget and setting specific goals for each area. As you can see, paying off student loans requires a lot of planning and hard work, but it's important to remember that it's not just about getting rid of the debt. It's also about setting yourself up for a successful financial future. Once you've paid off your student loans, you can start thinking about how you can use the money you were putting towards those payments to achieve your other financial goals. This might involve saving for a down payment on a house, investing for retirement, or building an emergency fund. It's important to continue to live within your means and avoid taking on unnecessary debt, but also to enjoy the financial freedom that comes with being debt-free. By staying disciplined and focused, you can achieve your financial goals and create the life you want. These tips can help you stay on track and successfully pay off your student loans. That's it for our video on student loans, strategies for paying off student loans quickly and efficiently. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, paying off your student loans may take time, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can do it. Thanks for watching.